Sanibonani football lovers. Welcome to PK Sports. Igama lami Mbongi Nkosi. Ngeke ngisabuza ukuthi ninjani because Kaizer Chiefs was the answer. By winning by 2-0 goals scored by Flavio Silva and Utlodi Lilebo. We ended the winless streak against the TS Galaxy after so long. Finally, sikwazile ukubahlaba, especially doing it to home ground FNB. Nanoma we thought ukuthi kungenzeka igame ingasabi khona due to lightning. It was delayed, but abafana they came back and made sure they continue where they left off. So let's just say ukuthi this game was no different from the first round that we played with the TS Galaxy, because we created many chances, we converted 2, but in the first round it didn't convert. And the thing is, both the players that scored today should have won the game in the first round against TS Galaxy. Flavio Silva was denied a legitimate goal and Utlodi Lilebo was subbed on Wangena and missed a sitter, but they redeemed themselves in this game. So I'd say these foreign players for Kaizer Chiefs, they are proving why Kaizer Chiefs signed them, because they are competing against each other. Both they have 8 goals. So logo kusho kona ukuthi what they are doing is to try by all means to make it visible ukuthi they deserve to be at Chiefs. At some point we might be critical of them because Amama games they don't live to the expectations when they play. But today they won the hearts again. Especially Flavio Silva. Flavio Silva is one striker I know for a fact ukuthi there are moments whereby ukuthi you wonder what was he doing kahle kahle. There was a chance also he could have scored, but angazi bekenzani lapha second half. But lela livalele ngekhanda, it showed ukuthi he has his strength in the air. So they should do that often. Ukuthi bafake lama crosses so that he can benefit. What an assist by Mduduzi Shabalala. These are things we want to see from an attacking midfielder. Be explosive, drop the shoulder, change of direction, put in a cross. Silva is good when it comes to a positioning in the box. Lilebo, if it was another player there, that player could have panicked because of round our goalkeeper and buy defenders of TS Galaxy some time to recover. But he was aware and then he looked at the post. Okay, I can bend it around Uira. So it was 2-0. So asingeno dabini in the game. You see the coaches, the way they set up coming to this game. They had one thing in mind. In the previous game, the players that scored, it was Uduba, Ndlovu, and who was the third player that scored? I believe it was Ushabalala. So when they started this game, they made sure they start with them so that they can try to finish the game as early as possible. And I'd say they were not bad. They were not bad at all because they managed to do what they were supposed to do. They didn't score in this game, but they were very good in their game, especially Undlovu. Undlovu managed to get a man of the match because he was very, very, very good and he was helping the team defensively and offensively. You could see the recoveries, you could see the runs that he was making going forward. Him and Maboy were controlling that middle of the park. I'd say TS Galaxy didn't come to the party because they didn't have Umbunjana in that middle of the park. That's why Maboy Nondlovu bebazenzela. So I'd say they knew what they were supposed to do in order for them to get a win in this game. But ngasho nje ukuthi uNdlovu ku game yakhe kunama moments whereby he overcarries the ball and he ends up being fouled. And lento le at some point uRef was no longer judging for him because bekabona ngathi wenza ngamasibongo. First half wasn't bad because I believe as early as the 15th minute Kaizer Chiefs were already 3 goal attempts ahead of TS Galaxy, and all those attempts came from Mduduzi Shabalala, but all of them were off target. So it showed they wanted to win this game, but akwenzekanga ukuthi akore uMduduzi Shabalala. Brendan Peterson came back waqhubeka la agcine khona ngama clean sheets. It is a good thing ukuthi ubuyile, and I'd say ukuthi it was commendable from the defense ukuthi they were protecting him with everything that they've got. Bradley Cross, solid. Aiden McCarthy, solid. Kevin Msimang, he proved me wrong today. He was solid, he was aggressive, and he used his height the way he's supposed to do in those aerial balls. And one thing I've discovered from him, man, his range of passes, the long range, is very accurate. He's very accurate. It's just good. Sometimes uyaswitcha kanti uliswitche kakhulu, but liyaya lalisa khona. It's another thing emele siyifakela amehlo, hoping ukuthi he'll continue with these performances. 10 out of 10 if it was up to me. Monyane, he was good naye, but there were moments whereby he was losing the ball cheaply. But for the fact ukuthi these Galaxy, when they were attacking, they were not making follow-ups, especially amanye players. If you bowler, belphethe Mahlambi or Maguya Olitswalo. But Kaizer Chiefs made sure that they clear their defensive lines, make it difficult for Ites Galaxy to come at them, because they wanted to use the transition with the speed Mahlambi. But Cross was up to the task, and with Duduba coming back to assist, but nama free kicks ayi-2 awadalile lapha cishe in the same position. But I was glad ukuthi we were not punished ngalama free kicks. But going forward, I still say ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs, as much as they won, they still have to fix the way they attack, their aggression, because after scoring that one goal, they seemed to be flat and they were relaxed. It seemed like they knew we already done the job, because it has Galaxy on cameras. Because second half, there were moments where we were a bit shaky, but we were able to regroup and make sure we focus on the game. I'd say Olilepo had a good first half compared to a second half, because he wasn't selfish, but he was releasing the ball as quickly as possible, so that players like Abu Shabalala, players like Abu Dubo, whenever they're making runs, bagwas kuti yena angene inside. But you know what the disappointment will be, what is the final product. Flavio Silva, he had a chance lapana bampasa defense TS Galaxy, but lapa he was hesitant to take a shot. Uzowalinda center back uSilva lona omunye uSalatiel Silva ukuthi alivale la bola. But I'd say ukuthi he scored. That's what matters. In that middle of the park, Duduzi Shabalala naye didn't have a bad game. Umaboy Malume, as the way he started the game, I thought ukuthi bazomnika any man of the match, but I think it is the ball ukuthi bele bamkhipha. But also uNdlovu made sure ukuthi he helps him, because bobona ukuthi bese kunokukhathala phakathi, but uNdlovu was working tirelessly laphana in that middle of the park, making runs, going forward, making recoveries, controlling that middle of the park. But the subs, I'd say good, they were not that inspirational changes from Amako coaches, because Ovelepa, you didn't understand good ungenele ukuzoshama run ukhatha inside, because it was difficult for him good azadlule ne opponent. Uzoloka jika a face our own half and cross. Cross will decide ukuthi unika uPeterson or Lisa phambili. Mfundo Vilakazi na ungenile, there was a moment that I believe he could have scored or assisted while pusha kakhulu iball. Uchislett, I was very disappointed with him, because I don't know ukuthi beyangenele game management or the rhythm of the game was above him, because bombong ukuthi lana mela phase khona ofuna ukudelay balithatha iball. So things like that is emele sizibheke sizifakela amehlo ukuthi okay, this player egamini so uyahluleka, egamini so uyakwazi because of this and that. And then Ox, I think the coaches now they understand ukuthi they have to use certain players in this kind of way so that they can benefit the club. When the team leads, having a DM like Umaboy, it is better with Umsape to Ox so that Ox can give you that cover at the back, protect the back four. That's what Ox did, because vele besebal chase goal balfuna ngenkani TS Galaxy. But ungenilo Ox, u-Ox akanayo progression football, u-Ox akanayo forward ovela shy assist. So you see ukuthi at some point amanye ama-games will expose other players, other games will make them shine. Same njengegame yanamhlanje, because he had to play according to his strength ukuba defensive. And then uMayo could have had an assist. The same thing engikhala ngayo kaChislet ukuthi litempo yale game beyimhlula, because he could have scored. Bavele bamshaya ngenye first time pass, but the same time pass, but ube late. And I was worried ukuthi lo muntu ushiwa iplayer liqale nematch asanda kugena, but ngeke sikhompene kakhulu, siwinile. That's what matters. Ukuthi Brandon Peterson afika ne clean sheet. And there's something I've noticed with the Kaizer Chiefs lately, ukuthi bayamdlalisa ugoalkeeper, ukuthi bakhiphe that anxiety, ukuthi that anxiousness, ukuthi makazothola ibhola angazi ukuthi ayenzeni. It is better ukuthi bam-involve so that azokwazi ukushisa negame, ukuthi makufika ama-moments whereby ukuthi akwazi ukuthi asize i-team abamphasa anga-crack, because you know them ukuthi under pressure banalento crack. But today I'd say ukuthi he had nothing to do laphayana in the goalpost, because he was protected bekune Beijing wall laphana, so bengekho bekangakwenza ukuthini ama-routine saves and commanding that back four. It was a good game from the team, hoping ukuthi njengoba sesiku 42 points ukuthi singamreacha na u50. It is possible, because now you say ukuthi they are moving, they are flowing, they are not expecting anything, they are taking each game as it comes, which is what is important. Abazifaki under pressure.